If you have a Dyson V10, V11 or V15 and the bin is stuck on almost to the point where you feel like you're going to break it when you're emptying it, then please stick around. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the bin safely. Then I'm going to show you why it's happening and quickly how to cure it. So let's start by removing your stuck on bin. Firstly, this little red tab here might feel like it's going to snap off. So we're going to eliminate that issue and we're just going to pull it forward so there's a little gap so it's unlocked as such. Then, holding the handle, we're going to wiggle the bin and pull it until you can see the red tab that appears with the arrow on. Now, the bin will flap open, so obviously if it's full, this one's empty, but if yours is full, be careful. And then sliding off, holding in the arrow tab, and I'm now going to show you why it's happening. So this most commonly happens when you've cleaned your vacuum cleaner. This one is freshly cleaned, it's had a lot of work done, but it's sticking. So the reason why is all the seals that come into contact with this. The first one is on the top of the bin here, and that corresponds to this part here. So that rubber is gripping onto that part there. Then you've got the red seal inside, that's rubber again gripping onto this bit, and as it makes its way down it'll also grip onto all this bit. And finally, in the bottom, you've got this rubber seal here at the bottom of the bin, and that is trying to weld itself to this part of your vacuum cleaner if everything is perfectly clean. So we need to just lubricate those bits. We're not going to be using any oil or anything too wet. We're using silicone spray. So let's start with the bin. We're going to just spray a little bit on the rubber, then inside round the rubber seal there. We can wipe everything down with a little bit of a microfiber cloth. The silicone spray is great because it's not too wet, but it really does lubricate the rubbers really well. Then on your vacuum cleaner, we're just going to spray a little bit around the tip and then a little bit around there. Again, wiping everything down with a cloth. We're not trying to rub away the silicone spray, we're just making sure that there's no overspray anywhere. And we're not putting loads on either because it can make it really slippy. We don't need to be battering it with the stuff. Right, now we put the bin back on and close the lid, and it will open nice and easy, like it should. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more Dyson help videos. This next one is if you're having a problem with your bin, whereas it keeps flying off when you're emptying it.